So Rahul Gandhi may be back from the United States, but the impact of his comments and its aftermath is now still being felt. Speaking in Katra in Jammu as during a rally that was being addressed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he took a dig at the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha over his definition of a devta. Now in the US, the Congress MP said that devta does not mean deity. The Prime Minister called it as an insult to our faith and to the sake for few votes as a sign of Naxal mindset.
कांग्रेस तो कुछ वोटों के लिए हमारी आस्था और हमारी संस्कृति को कभी भी दांव पर लगा सकती है। कांग्रेस का जो शाही परिवार है, उसके वारिस ने हाल में विदेश में जाकर क्या कहा है, ये आपने भी सुना होगा। वो कहते हैं हमारे देवी देवता भगवान नहीं है। क्या ये हमारे देवताओं का अपमान है कि नहीं है? और ऐसा अपमान करने वालों को सजा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए? सजा देंगे, जी भर के सजा देंगे। कांग्रेस के लोग ऐसी बातें भूल चूक से नहीं बोलते हैं। ये सोची समझी चाल है। ये एक नक्सली सोच है।
Now, during an interaction in Dallas in Texas last week, Rahul Gandhi overshared his unique interpretation of the term devta. Speaking about the Indian culture, Rahul Gandhi explained that the word devta is often misinterpreted as being synonymous with God or a deity. Instead, according to him, that in Indian tradition, a devta is referred to a person whose internal thoughts and feelings align perfectly with their external expressions, a truly transparent being. Listen in to what he had said.
Do you know what devta means in the term devta? Do you know what it means? Yes. No. What? No, it doesn't mean God. The deity. No, it doesn't mean the deity. So devta in India actually means a person whose internal feelings are exactly the same as his external expression. Meaning he's a completely transparent being. Right? It does not mean God.
To which statement that was made by Rahul Gandhi, a BJP leader in Himachal Pradesh, and 3 different branches of BJP in Delhi have filed complaints seeking registration of FIR against Rahul Gandhi for allegedly defaming the Prime Minister and endangering the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. In Delhi, the Sikh cell, the SC Morcha and ST Morcha have filed complaints in different stations. The party, which is also planning to protest to escalate its offensive against the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha.
हमारी दिल्ली इकाई के जो सिख प्रकोष्ठ आदिवासी और अनुसूचित प्रकोष्ठ है, उन्होंने राहुल गांधी के बयानों के खिलाफ उसके खिलाफ अपनी शिकायत दर्ज कराई है। राहुल गांधी पिछड़े वर्ग ओबीसी समाज के खिलाफ बोलते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री पिछड़े वर्ग से आते हैं। नहीं, लगातार हम इसके खिलाफ प्रदर्शन करेंगे और हमने अपनी पुलिस में शिकायत दर्ज कराई है। हम मांग करेंगे कि उनके खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाए और कांग्रेस और राहुल गांधी की सोच के खिलाफ हम प्रदर्शन भी करेंगे। 3 अलग-अलग कंप्लेंट हमने दर्ज कराई। अलग-अलग जी।
All right, Sabyasachi is with us. Sabyasachi, good morning. Multiple complaints, 3 different complaints, that is in Delhi itself. Are these according to the different statements that have been made by Rahul Gandhi while he was in the United States?
BJP has massive attack against Mr. Rahul Gandhi over his remarks that he has made in the United States. There are different remarks attacking the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the Delhi BJP unit has given 3 complaints based on this. In fact, here in the national capital, the Delhi BJP unit is all set to carry out a mega protest against Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself has slammed Rahul Gandhi for his remarks that he has made during his recent US visit. and said that the Congress can put faith and culture at stake for few votes anytime, and the Congress can put our faith and culture at stake for a few votes anytime, and the Congress here went abroad and said that our Devi Devta are not gods. It is an insult to our faith, and this is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi had to say while addressing a public rally in Jammu and Kashmir and launching attack against Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stating that the Congress should be punished for this, and they don't say all this just for the sake of it or as a mistake. It is a planned conspiracy. It is a Naxal mindset which has been imported from other religions and other countries.
All right. As far as multiple complaints that have now been registered against Rahul Gandhi, 3 alone in Delhi, as far as his statement that is now concerned that he made in the United States of America. Thank you, Sabyasachi, for that. Let's get